hope you're all fine. The weather is nice today, but I don't know if it will stay the whole day because in our forecast it says it will rain soon. So it's not really good if I will not spend this very sunny weather outside. So here we are. We are traveling to Port Solent Marina, and then I'll show you around. I will make a tour, show you around what's in there in the marina, and then maybe we could have a light meal. So stay with us. Guys, we are driving through the countryside on the top of the hill. If we find a lay-by, I am going to show you the view from the top of the hill, the city of Portsmouth and the surrounding area around. Only if I can. So just sit back and enjoy our ride. Hey, we found a place to stop. So this is the view from the top of the hill, but so sorry, not so clear because I did not expect it's misty from the distance, even if it's sunny. Let's head back to the road and continue our journey. We're nearly there. God, it's so nice weather. It's so warm. And I can feel it inside the car. Our park is full. We will soon be looking for a place to park. It's allow parking and it's free. So guys, we are here now. The first thing that we could see is a cinema. They called it Odeon. Let's walk around here. Port Solent, the relaxing waterside experience. Let's see what's inside. So guys, we end up in a Spanish restaurant. So I'm ordering Spanish paella, which is like sort of chicken and chorizo. So wait for that to come. Pardon me. And I have here, I didn't know, I ordered Aperol Spritz, but they were saying that it's 2 for 1. So I cannot say no. So I have 2 glasses here. Apart from this, I got 2 glasses of Aperol Spritz. So this makes my day today. Paella, taste of Spain. That is a very nice paella, my friend. I can tell. The pepper is very nice and sweet, and it's crunchy. It's really very nice. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Until the next video. Bye for now.